Today we talk about how can you enable optimize images on your WordPress app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click on your name down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on app settings. You come to next CPU, it's going to show for you like this here. You come to optimize images, you just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here optimize images enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you accurate, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.